thunderstorm warning for central Hunterdon County in northwestern New Jersey, northwestern Camden County in southern New Jersey, western Mercer County in central New Jersey, northwestern Burlington County in southern New Jersey, central Montgomery County in southeastern Pennsylvania, Bucks County in southeastern Pennsylvania, northeastern Philadelphia County in southeastern Pennsylvania until 7 p.m. At 6:32 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from near Guggenville to Palmyra, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Intact, damaged roofs, siding, trees, and power lines if possible. Locations impacted include Philadelphia, Felton, Camden, Bensalem, Ewing, Willingboro, Florence, Burlington, Bristol, Allentown, Durham, Riverside, Palmyra, Hatboro, Bedminster, Flemington, Lincolntown, Southport, Tiverton, and Bordentown. This includes the following highways: New Jersey Turnpike between exit 6 and 6A and near exit 7A. Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 341 and 359. Interstate 95 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 25 and 40. Interstate 78 in New Jersey between mile markers 13 and 19. Interstate 195 in New Jersey near mile marker 0. Interstate 295 in New Jersey between mile markers 48 and 50. Between mile markers 53 and 61. And between mile markers 70 and 76. For your protection, move to an interior room on the fourth floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: Burlington, Camden, Hunterdon, and Mercer, and the following counties in Pennsylvania: Bucks, Montgomery, and Philadelphia.